Welcome to the Cleveland Marshall College of Law at Cleveland State University, right in the heart of downtown Cleveland.
We are so happy to see that you are choosing to embark on your legal career and journey. We are even more thrilled that you are considering making Cleveland Marshall your home for that journey.
So if you're interested in a quality education, lifelong friends, and an endless supply of job opportunities, you're in the right spot.
With the help of our fellow students, staff, and faculty, we are going to take you on a tour of our law school and show you what CM Law has to offer.
Hi, I'm Lee Fisher. I'm the Dean of Cleveland Marshall College of Law at Cleveland State University. We have a beautiful campus right here at Cleveland State University. We're at just a few-minute walk from all the major legal employers in downtown Cleveland. The Theater District, Playhouse Square, the largest theater district of its kind between New York and Chicago. It takes you about 30 seconds to go there. You can also walk to see the Cleveland Browns, walk to see the Cleveland Cavaliers, walk to see the Cleveland Guardians. They're all here in Cleveland. You know, this is a phenomenal city, but it's also one of the largest legal markets in the entire Midwest. So if you want to come to a great law school where you'll get great externships and great jobs right down the street, you want to come here.
Hi there, I'm Carolyn Brering-Jacobs, the Associate Dean for Academic and Student Affairs here at the College of Law. Let's take a walk through our striking and light-filled law library and talk a little bit about the academic program, both in your first year and beyond. As a first-year student, you will take 4 classes each semester. You'll take 3 classes that focus on doctrine and 1 class that focuses on skills, legal research and writing. That legal research and writing class will actually span throughout the entire first year. Now, as we walk through our library, you'll see that the layout and setup of the library really reflects the thoughtful approach we have to our students and their success. The library, of course, has many carrels and places for students to study. There are also comfortable armchairs, beautiful windows for you to look out of. There are study rooms that can be reserved by individual students or groups of students, more than ample space for you to spend the time that you need getting ready for your classes. We're now in the Rawson Learning Commons. The Learning Commons is a part of the law library that's dedicated exclusively to law students. This is a space that's set up to encourage group discussion and private group study. We even have a quiet room. Our quiet room is set up for meditation. We offer yoga classes. There are weekly mindfulness sessions for our students' well-being. In addition, just next door to the Learning Commons is our academic support and legal writing suite, where our academic support and legal writing teams are available to meet with students while they're studying.
Right now we're in between classes, so students are all around me. They're walking into our living room called the atrium. Here's Abby Stout, for example. This is Amani Tibbs. Over here, Lexi Solomon. Lexi's a 2L. It's where most of the time you'll see students studying, laughing, talking, eating, drinking. And right behind that, one of the most beautiful law libraries you'll find in any law school in the country, that I guarantee. All around me, our classrooms, our offices. These students are here not just to be lawyers, they're here to be leaders. We believe that we're educating the next generation of lawyer leaders, consistent with our mission, learn law, live justice.
I'm Christina O'Brien, the current Student Bar Association president. This journey started for me in my 1L year as a senator to advocate on behalf of my peers, moved on to become the treasurer of that organization, and now currently am sitting as its president of the organization. I think it's been incredibly important to be involved in student organizations here at CM Law. It's provided me with an opportunity to meet my peers, to be involved with the administration, and to really feel a part of this community. But don't take it from me, take it from some other students here that have really been incredible advocates in their own right and in their own organizations.
Over the past 3 years, I've had the pleasure of being a part of multiple student organizations.
Cleveland Marshall chapter of the National Association for Public Defense.
The Entertainment and Sports Law Association.
The Black Law Student Association.
I am currently the president of the Latino Law Student Association.
I'm also an associate on the Journal of Law and Health.
And even the National Lawyers Guild.
I don't have family up here, so I wanted to be able to build my own family, and these organizations have given me that family, given me that support, and they've also taught me a lot, not only about myself personally, but also professionally.
We are very focused on getting our students real-world opportunities, not just in our city, but in our state, in our nation, and really even across the world.
All of these groups provide many opportunities for you to grow as a person and also as a law student, so that when you leave here, you'll have the tools that you need to be the best attorney that you can be.
A lot of times we get asked, what is Moot Court? Moot Court is our appellate advocacy team here on campus. So we get to go around and compete against multiple different schools around the country. We get to develop, refine, and showcase our brief writing skills and our appellate advocacy skills.
Being a member of Moot Court has given me the experience necessary to be ready to litigate and step into a courtroom. Being a part of a professional team such as this makes me feel more supported and prepared to step into that courtroom and litigate and start my career after graduation.
And in addition to getting to work closely with your law school colleagues, each team is paired with coaches who are local attorneys or former Moot Court team members, and they get to work with them on a regular basis. So it's a really great opportunity to work with more experienced attorneys to hone in on your oral advocacy skills.
Hi, my name is Jonathan Whitmer-Rich, Associate Dean for Academic Enrichment and Professor here at the Law School. We're here in our very impressive Moot Courtroom where every year we hold speakers, conferences, symposia. Every law school around the country has, with some slight variations, a pretty similar 1L curriculum. But once you get past your 1L year, there are a lot of differences. One thing that's really distinctive about Cleveland Marshall is that we are very focused on getting our students involved in real-world legal issues that are happening in our community, in our state, and in our nation. So for example, one way we do that is through a program called Pop-Up Practicums. Many of our faculty are closely connected to the legal community and involved in legal issues, whether in policy making or advocacy or representing individual clients. And we get students involved in that. We gather a lot of these areas of curricular expertise in our centers. And we have a Center for Cybersecurity and Privacy Protection, a Global Space Law Center, Center for Health Law and Policy, and a Center for Criminal Justice. So those are some of the hands-on ways that students can get involved in affecting people's lives while they're in law school. We have an annual Criminal Justice Forum speaker series, which happens here in the Moot Courtroom, where we bring in nationally recognized experts to present on their scholarship on a cutting-edge issue of criminal law. So those are some of the exciting hands-on things that we have happening here at Cleveland Marshall.
I'm currently standing across from our solo practice incubator. This is where Cleveland Marshall actively supports our student graduates. From being able to study next to recent graduates in their own firms, to our location in the heart of Cleveland, we're never far away from our dreams of becoming a lawyer.
I'm Sarah Besnaska. I'm the Assistant Dean for Student and Career Services here at Cleveland Marshall College of Law. My department is the department that will help you plan your law school experience focused on your career goals from day one through graduation and beyond. We help with student support and student life, connecting you to resources at Cleveland State University. We help with academic advising, helping you to understand the graduation requirements and prepare coursework that is focused on your career goals and your interests and on passing the bar exam. We also help with career services, which is everything from reviewing your resume, your cover letter, your LinkedIn profile, to helping you to find your first job in the legal profession, the job you might work part-time throughout the school year, and your first long-term permanent post-grad legal job. We work really closely with our alumni network to engage and support our students. Our alumni work all over the place: federal, state, and local government, nonprofits, advocacy, the private sector, doing lots of interesting things in Northeast Ohio, throughout Ohio, and throughout the country. And they are all very excited to help students reach their career goals and be successful lawyers in their career.
As you can see, CM Law is not just your law school for the next 3 years, it's going to be your law school for life.
So whether you're studying at the Law Library or across the bridge in Ohio City, we're so excited to welcome you to Cleveland Marshall, and we're excited to help you on your legal journey.
If you would like to visit, please contact our admissions team.
We hope you enjoy your virtual tour. To learn more about us, please visit us at law.csuohio.edu. To learn more about Cleveland Marshall College of Law and how you can learn law, live justice.